Hey friends, Christina Steinbrück here. I'm a little bit far up. Let me see if I can fix this. It's a little better. Right? Yeah. So I just got my reunion package in for Scentsy Family Reunion. And I'm going to open it because I wanna. And I'm really excited about it. I'm flying solo this year. Not taking the family with me. Probably the first time in what, 3 years? 4 years? That I have gone to reunion alone. So I'm going to reunion alone this year. Kind of a little excited about it. I don't know if it makes me a bad mom or not, but we get to go to Disneyland. And I get to go alone. I get to go to Disneyland as a grown-up with 0 responsibilities. And I'm really, really, really excited. The first time I ever went to Disney World was with my kids, and it was really, really fun seeing that through my son's eyes. But that was the first time I'd ever been to Disney World too. So I'm kind of really excited to go alone to one of them, right? And then I'll take them. I mean, I'm not a total fuddy-duddy mama, but I'm pretty excited to go alone. I'm excited to be able to fully immerse myself into reunion this year. Because I used to feel like I needed to go and make sure the kids were all right and the husband wasn't too bored, and which he never was. He has a great time hanging out with the kids. So I would worry for no reason because hashtag mom problems, right? So I'm pretty excited to go alone this year. Sorry. It is like this box is the exact size of the other box inside. Okay. Are we ready? Okay. Here's the box. The packaging for Scentsy Family Reunion stuff is always glorious. One magical moment, SFR 2018. I'm so excited. So yes, like I said, I'm going alone. Just take your ribbons with you, Kirsty. There's a way to stack them, and you'll get that information when you check in usually. So just take them with you as they are. Don't worry about stacking them yet. You'll get your lanyard and you'll get information. So you want to see my ribbons? Are they in here, the ribbons? Well, that's exciting. This is very cute. I feel like okay, hold on. I'm gonna put this back because that was really cute and cool and I just flew right on past it. So look at that adorable packaging. Cute little peekaboo cutout there. I think that's a fashionable term for what I just experienced. So this is it, Scentsy 2018, magical. Okay. There's so much stuff in here. I'm so excited. I'm guessing this is my pack of ribbons and things, right? Okay, so first we're gonna open the t-shirts. This is the box inside. It's very cute. I'll put that up here too, on top of my printer. Okay, so I got 2 shirts because I registered for the fun run. I'm gonna fun walk it because it's on Huntington Beach, and like, who wouldn't register for the fun run? I'm all right, right? So I'm gonna walk it because my besties are going and I got no babies to bring with me, and we get to just hang out and walk along Huntington Beach together in really, really cute baby blue t-shirts. Am I right? Okay, well, let me look at this though. Okay, I ordered mediums. These look really, really huge. Anyone else? Biggest mediums in the world? All right, so there's one. This is the fun run one. It says one magical run, beach, sun and fun. There you go. So there's my t-shirt for the fun run. And Scentsy uses like the really, really good t-shirts, the Bella canvas shirts, and these like end up being our favorite shirts ever. These ones are ones that Kip might even steal because these are his favorite shirts, reunion shirts. If you see him, he's usually wearing his purple one from Nashville. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, look at this shirt. I will wear this every day. Can you see the coloring on it? It's amazing. It just keeps washing out. There's pink. Can you see it? There we go. It's like pink and blue and green. I like how retro it is. I said retro really weird. Retro. Like I know what I'm talking about. I said it like that weird. 2011 represent. Cool. So there's that shirt. Super pretty. Okay. Here's the fun package of who you are and where to be, right? Okay, let me see what's all in here. So first is my name tag. There's my seating assignments if you need to screenshot that to hunt me down. Okay. Okay, I got doubles for some reason. I got doubles of everything. Okay, hold on. I got doubles like a couple years ago too. It was really funny. Okay. Ooh, cute. Daily schedule, leadership work. All right, awesome. Okay. So we got my leadership workshop invitation. Sorry. I don't know why it's washing out. Because I am going to that. Anyone else going to that? Yes. Cool. Awards and recognition. I'm not earning an award this year, but I'm gonna go recognize and applaud because it's like my favorite night. A lot of my team, this is our favorite night. We get to dress all cute, and that's when they announce our next trip, and that's when they announce next reunion. And awards night's probably the best because you get to be all cute and fancy with your besties. Why is it washing up? Let me see if I can fix this. Maybe? No, it's just washing out. There we go. Sweet. Party with a Purpose training. I did not register for this, but maybe they need people to go. Okay. All right. Know before you go guide. It's really cute. Very cute. Know before you go guide. And there was a schedule. And did I lose it? Is this it? Oh, this is it. Okay. So this is the schedule for what we're going to do. It's really, really cute. So that's jam-packed days, if you can tell. So take this with you. If you're a consultant, take this with you. Don't forget. Okay, so there's that. Like I said, here's my name tag. Both sides. Okay, ribbons. I got my Superstar Director ribbon. Whoop. My Boot Camp Graduate ribbon. I got 2 of those for some reason. Trip Qualifier. I got 2 of those for some reason. I got 2 Lifetime PRV 100K ribbons, but I think I only have 1 of those earned. I think so. I got 2 USA ribbons because I'm double American. I only registered once. I don't know why I got all these duplicates. That's okay. And another Superstar Director ribbon. So not a whole lot of ribbons, right? I don't really like a lot of ribbons because they get in the way. And I like to move. Okay, so I've got what? 5. I don't get many ribbons. Y'all think I got lots of ribbons. No. Superstar Director. USA. Lifetime PRV 100K. Trip Qualifier and Boot Camp Graduate. I usually just put my title ribbon on because I just don't like a lot of ribbons. And I don't like attention. So if anybody knows me, I don't really like attention. And people like to look at your ribbons a lot. And so if I don't have any, they can't look at them. And so I usually just put this one on. Okay. Anyway, that was my reunion box. I kind of want to wear my shirts today. Anybody else going to wear their shirts? Maybe before we go? Because I think I might. All right, guys. There it is. There's the box of goodies I've been waiting for like 3 weeks. Or whenever they like made the labels. And then the labels sat there and you knew it was coming, but it was taunting you because it hadn't been shipped yet. So, there's that. Okay. Have a good day. Bye.